So these are the two bags that I own for the makeup. This one is for the makeup and this one entirely holds up my hairstyling kit. So I have already showed you guys my makeup vanity, but now it is more different. It has a lot of new things which I'm going to be showing up for you guys. So this is the first compartment. I totally love this particular vanity. It holds up a lot of things like bindis and wet wipes and everything that I need handy. It also has a zipper and it is transparent, so you can hold up everything over here. These are also compartments for the combs and little things. I've put up this is like a section comb and this is like a section clip. So I've put all of these things over here. There is another couple of combs that I'll add up over here if necessary. So this is the second and the most important compartment. So the good thing about this bag is it has this things which can make it stand like a table. This compartment over here holds up all the long things such as brush, scissors, lipsticks, lip liners, kajals and like mascara. And this is my favorite and the important thing. This is like a liner, colored liner thing which we use for bindi. It is also called as chand over here in South India. It's used on almost all the brides. So it holds up a lot, to be very honest. And then you have this section. These compartments are detachable. You can use it the way you want. So here are things that I like to put in. So these are all like round things. For example, my compact loose powder box, the bronzer, this is my moisturizer, and this is my concealer palette. I also put up like a couple of sharpeners if in case of sharpening all my pencils. Here I have the setting sprays, foundations and some tubes. So this comes very handy if somebody needs like very simple makeup and doesn't want to look cakey. So these are some kind of products that I like to keep. So I have multiple brands when it comes to foundation, depending upon the coverage as well. And these are my little palettes like eyebrow, and these are my glitter palettes which I use for the brides. And this one over here is my oldest and very in love with this palette. This is a Swiss Beauty palette which comes in handy. This is enough for doing almost all the makeups. And here I have some more palettes, like I have a lip palette, then I have like a blush palette, I have the eyeshadow palettes, and this one I have kept it if in case of color necessaries and stuff. I use this particular palette. And here I have some little things. For example, I have my MAC lipsticks, I have my concealers over here, and I have all my colored eyeshadows, glitter liquid eyeshadows over here. Again, this is another chand, white chand that we use over here in South India a lot. And here I have some more things, like this is my bindi book which is very essential in my kit. So this is like a little clumsier area in my entire kit where I throw in things that I want handy. For example, I have blenders, I have puffs, and I have like different shapes of puffs, and then I have like color, and I have eyeliner pomades. I have some really good shades of lipstick which I need handy all the time. And again another blender, puff, gloss. And these are my custom made highlighters, cream highlighters which I have made and I love using. And I have in illuminator, strobe cream, I have primer, I have mascara, little one if I need in any case. I have my eyeliner. This one is a really good eyeliner, pot kajal, and I have another one of it. And I have some Vaselines and a little more lipsticks, and that is it. So these are the things that I have in my vanity. I have a secret zip over here where I put in all my eyelashes. So I keep the stock of my eyelashes and lens over here so it doesn't get damaged. So this is my makeup kit, you guys. So let's move in to my hairstyle kit. So first let's talk about my hairstyle bag. So this is basically from the brand called Safari. This is very special to me because this is my 20th year birthday gift from a dearest people of mine. So here we also have lock and 2 zips. So if I open the zip, so this is how my kit looks like. It has 2 compartments and it also have some wheels, which is very useful for me as it helps me to carry weight. And we also have our handles over here, and there's a lock system where I can lock my things and it doesn't move. So in my first compartment I have all the essential things that I use regularly. For example, my mousse, my setting spray, I have another shine spray. This is my gloves so that it protects my hands from heat. I have a little accessories, stickers that I use for the hairstyles. I have a rubber band cover in case of an emergency. I have some tissues. This is called as a bun net, which we use for the bun. And this is my comb kit where I have section clips as well as combs. So this is my comb kit. It contains all the combs that I use. There are some more which is outside right now, which I have to pack it into my bag. And this is a bag full of my heat tools. It has straightener, curler, crimper. I also keep like hair dryer in it. There's my crimper, there's my curler and a straightener. I also have another straightener and hair dryer, which I have to put it back into the bag. And these are the most essential part, that is my pin box. I have all sort of hairpins, a little hair pearl accessories. I have needle and thread. I have U pins. I have bob pins. I have invisible pins over here, and I also have U pins, bob pins, hair pins, rubber bands, safety pins, and this goes down here. And this is a little box where I carry extra blender if in case of an emergency or I'm handling multiple clients. So this is locked. Let's see what's there in that compartment over there. So this have a ziplock system over here. If I zip this up, all these things get hidden. So this is a cover full of all of these things. These are my hair bun accessories, bun nets. I also have some scrunchies of bun. So these are my traditional hair accessories which we use in the corner of the braid. I keep this in case of an emergency. And this is a cover full of hair accessories. These are my hairy work accessories. These are my ready braids. I also have like bun net of the Ari work, which I personally love. And here are my extensions. I have some curled extension, I have crimped extension. So I have some covers of extension if in case if necessary. These are my floral brocades. So I keep all of these accessories. I also have needles, thread. So with this I have some artificial gajaras. I also have some stems. There's like baby breaths colored gold and a little green ones. I have some lashes for the backup. I have the nets for the braids, and I have some more accessories. I have to get a big giant box to keep all of these things. I like to keep it separate. So these are like some more accessories, hair accessories, and this one over here is a spray. It's a gold color spray which we spray it on gajra. I have some more accessories, Vaseline in case of an emergency, and some more tissues.